That's the veal. Let's get on with the starter. Steph.
How you doing, sir?
How are you, big boy?
How you doing?
Little Chris.
How you doing?
Andrew.
You all right?
Nice to meet you.
And Big Chris. So, 4 talented estate agents.
We are.
And very talented amateur cooks, right?
Yes.
Estate agents have the most amazing reputation.
Yeah, I thought so as well.
For being great bullshitters. Yeah. Tonight, there's going to be no bullshit. Tonight, we're going to look after customers, and we're going to deliver. OK, guys, come here. Let's do this together. Any questions as we go along, please? I'd really appreciate if you asked,
All right.
yeah? Right, what you got in here?
Sage, onion and potatoes.
Don't flood it with butter, otherwise it goes soggy, OK? So, nice and flat.
That's it.
And push it down.
Around the sides, yeah?
So this is called a potato rosti. Basically a nice sort of crispy potato cake, yes? Potato's cooked, so it doesn't take that long. But be careful you don't catch it. Yeah, I don't want to see it burning, OK?
Right.
Eggs. Make sure you don't break the yolk. Guys, very, very quiet. No questions?
No, it's kind of right for fun.
Black pudding is cooked already. It's already made. Yeah, it's nice and spicy. 3 slices per portion. Turn them over. Let your black pudding rest. Right, so far so good, yes? So, first off, potato cake. Nicely on there, yes? Eggs, out, on. Black pudding, over. When you mix the black pudding and the egg yolk, it's delicious, yeah?
Okay.
A little bit of salad, just the top of the plate.
Right, let's do some.
Right,
Come on, boys.
wait,
Let's crack on.
wait. Then,
sorry.
put a vinaigrette.
That's it.
Over. Would you pay for that, Steph?
Oh, well, yeah.
Table 9, yeah? Let's go, guys, yes? Right. Listen up, 4 customers. Table 1, please, yeah? 4 black pudding, 4 veal scallop, 4 tiramisu.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah, bro.
Fuck me.
I was made for this shit.
Andrew, the yolk's burst there, is it?
Sorry?
The yolk's first.
Andrew,
Yes, it has.
it's burst, so...
You're all right. Sorry, chef.
Don't be sorry, just fucking change it. Let's go.
All right.
Oh, fucking hell, it keeps on breaking. Fucking arsehole egg. Stupid fucking egg.
Keep the patties down. Let's go.
Yeah. No, we'll
Keep
start
it
again. We'll
stowed.
start again. Chris, don't worry, mate. Chris, don't worry. If it goes wrong, we'll just start again.
I've just
Oh,
done
nice. Fucking hell.
Steph.
Work, man. I'm doing another one.
You've just scraped it off the stove, yeah? And you put it back here. Would you eat that?
Sorry, nah, probably
No.
not.
Get in the fucking bin. Let's go, quick. Chris, look, best thing to do, like I showed you, a little pan like that and just slide it off like that.
Come on, one minute.
There you go. Now, put that up to rest.
You got chef, yeah?
Give me a spoonful of...
Get that one off.
For the thing.
Yeah. Fuck me.
Yes.
This is such a simple starter.
I know,
Each and every one
I
of
know.
you are capable of doing this. But right now, we're all over the shop, yes? Right, potato cake on the plate, Andrew. Let's go.
Sorry, watch your back, Chris. Watch your back.
Train, eggs, please.
Don't put the trays on the thing.
Don't burst the yolk, yes?
Definitely.
Salad,
Fuck,
please.
there's an eggshell in there.
Why are you doing dressing in there? Watch me. Shake, really. And mustard's at the bottom. Drizzle. Just watch. Roll round.
Do a little dance.
Yeah,
Shake.
fuck the dance. Now clean
Clean
the
the
plates,
plate.
please.
Chris.
Yep, there we go. Service, please. The long awaited, yes? Table 14. Sorry about the delay. OK, let's go. Fuck me. Table 14, let's go.
What's next, chef?
Personally, I think that egg was well overcooked. The starter was okay, but it was something that I'd get at home. My mum would probably cook a bit better.
OK, results for the starters. Let's go. What do you reckon?
I think we did fine.
25.
25.
35.
25. The number of customers are prepared to pay for the starter. Cool, fucking hell, 14?
Yeah.
Only 14 out of 50?
Yeah, correct.
That is shit.
No, it's not good. It's not good.
I wouldn't laugh. There's nothing funny about that.
Fucking laughing for that shit.
36 customers refused to pay?
Yeah.
Why?
Too long, honestly. And the egg all raw or overcooked or burnt.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
So far, that is the worst score ever. Seriously?
Yeah, it's shit. What can we do, though, man?
No,
Let's
it's all we can do.
turn it around now.
That's it.
Steph, you can come back.
Yes, chef.
You know damn well you can come back from that. That was
Sorry?
crap. Let's make up for it and get 50 for Maine, yes?
Yes,
yeah.
but fuck
Yeah.
it.